Bag of crap number 4. Okay, here we go. Just came. It was on the doorstep when we got home. Open it up. Open it up.
Whoa!
What do we get?
Oh my God!
What? Don't say, oh my God.
Oh my goodness gracious!
What is that?
Batman!
Batman? A Batman helicopter? Whoa, cool. A remote control Batman helicopter. Oh, those are bags. Hold it up so we can see. You're showing it to everybody, sweetie. All right, and that opens up into a bag. Good, I wanted one of those. What else we got? What's in there?
I don't even know.
What does it say?
Nothing.
Well, let me see. Oh, I know what it is.
What?
It's for, I think it's a pet thing.
This thing?
Yeah, for your pets.
May you open it?
Hang on, hang on. Let's see. We never know about those Woot guys. They might have given us something else. Oh, no, here we go. Here we go. Maybe Auntie Pam could use that.
Yeah.
It's for brushing your pets. You know what we could use it on? Zoe, maybe? But I think it probably works better on dogs.
Zoe!
Okay, we'll see. All right, so a pet zoom. That's pretty cool. Wow. Pet zoom. All right.
Then this.
What's that? This is like a cool bag of crap. Oh, tools. Skill. Oh my gosh. Look at all those bits. Oh, I'm in tool heaven. Felipe, indeed. Whoa, that's cool. Does it have a handle? No, that's okay. We'll check it out later. Oh yeah, I can put it on my tool belt. Well, yeah. Like Handy Manny. What else is in there?
Really, Mom?
What's that? What is it? Ooh, a laptop cooling pad! Yes, to put under my laptop.
It won't fit.
Yes, it will.
No, it won't.
It doesn't fit inside there, honey. It fits underneath it. And that's the end. And what do we say?
Thank you, bag of crap.
Thank you, Woot. Wow.